Hello everyone, this is Stephanie and today I'm going to be showing you how I did this eye look using only my fingers. I hope you guys have fun. I hope you try it out at home and yeah, keep watching. Okay, so today I'm doing an eye look using only my fingers, and I was thinking about doing two looks because the first one is going to be using only shimmer shades, and those are really easy to use with your fingers. But I think I'll do a second look using mostly matte shades, so it gets a little bit more interesting. I'm gonna be using this palette. I'm gonna start. This is only like a reference. You can use any shade you have. I'm gonna start with this one. Actually, no. I'm gonna start with this one. It's like a gold, sort of yellowish shade. I've already primed my eyes and I set it with powder. I'm taking the gold shade in this finger. This is actually harder than I thought it would be. I'm gonna take another green shade. I think it's slightly darker than the one in the middle. I'm using another shade from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'll be putting that on screen. Think about how beautiful this would look if I were using brushes. Oh my god. I think we're good here. It looks like I have Brazil's flag on my eye, but I kind of like it. I'm gonna try adding a white shimmer shade to my inner corners. Okay, it worked. Yes. Now I'm taking this white eyeliner and I'm gonna line my lower waterline with it. I feel like I definitely look like I have, like, this is a Brazil themed makeup, but I don't mind. It looks cute. I'm gonna use some mascara and I'm gonna add some lashes too. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be doing a matte version of this challenge. I don't know if I should call it a challenge, but I think that will be a lot harder. This wasn't exactly the easiest, but it was kind of easy, so I'll be doing a matte version. I hope you guys enjoyed the look. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Bye.